This is the place to be if you want to be around knowledgeable experts. I've filled a whole notebook full of information from people who are just absolutely knocking it out of the park in their markets.
This is like being at the best knowledge party in the city. This is where you want to be.
So we came to this conference because we're new to the business, and I'm actually blown away. It's been like drinking from a funnel the whole time I've been here, and I'm excited to get back to my town and get going.
There's no other place in the country that you can come and get around as many professionals, quality operators, great vendors, training, and really practicing what's best in our industry. It's second to none.
This was absolutely worth it. I think it's probably one of the best events. Honestly, every session kept getting better and better. Connecting with everyone here, the fundraising that we just did, it was like really inspirational. We're glad we were here.
It's been phenomenal. Just the resources that are available, the networking opportunities.
Everybody wants to help each other, and that has been very valuable.
I appreciate the organization putting together something that's going to tell me the importance of insurance, the importance of how to scale, the importance of looking at the trend of the market and what it means to the community.
Full of speakers, great content. You coming out to be at all the CLA events brings more awareness, helps you grow your business, and makes a statement for our industry as we all grow together.